Hello everyone, today I'm back with another Mugen tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be teaching everyone how to take away delay from any of your Mugen character's attacks. This will be a very short tutorial because it's actually really simple. So to demonstrate, we have Kung Fu Man. As you can see, Kung Fu Man's attacks are actually pretty fast, but they still have some startup delay, even if it's very minute and not really noticeable. However, we can make his attacks even faster. By using Fighter Factory, all you have to do is go to the animations. Let's see, where is his attack animation? Animations, jumping, intros. Standing light punch, right here. As you can see, here is the actual frame for the hitbox. So, in order to make that faster, what you could do to start off by making it even faster is change the time for the actual hurtbox animation to 1. It depends on what character you're using. This might mess up some characters, but as you can see, Kung Fu Man's jab, or his light attack, or his light punch, standing light punch to be specific, is now faster, as you can see. However, we can make that even faster. I'm sure all of you know how fighting games and animation frames work if you haven't really heard about those terms. Basically, moves have startup in fighting games, and a lot of players talk about frame advantage and frame disadvantage. However, we can make Kung Fu Man's attack even faster if we go here, and what you're going to want to do, you can see collision 1 is the actual attack hitbox, collision 2 is Kung Fu Man's hurtbox. So what you're going to want to do is take away all the animations before this, some default collision here too, take away those, and take away these last two. Then you're only left with one frame, and that's the attack animation, and this is still set to 1. Now, we're going to test this again. There we go. Now, as you can see, Kung Fu Man's attacks are now really, really fast, to the point where the game almost can't even keep up with the animation. As you can see, the screen tearing a little bit, or the sprites tearing. The problem is now it's too fast for him to actually hit anything. You're probably wondering why this is happening. So to fix this, nope, not that. You need to go inside of Kung Fu Man's code, find state number 200, which is his light attack, and here you'll see the hitbox triggers on animation element 3. However, since we took away all the animation frames, he only has one animation frame now, which means we need to change this from animation 3 or animation element 3 to animation element 1. Now let's try again. And as you can see, now Kung Fu Man has a 1-frame jab. This is a nightmare to all serious fighting game players. Any 1-frame move. Example, Magneto's low kick, Fox's shine, you get the point. This is how you make your character's attacks faster in Mugen. Stay tuned for the next upload. Goodbye!